Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, we from group 4 and now we want presentation about our material about business meeting, and before our presentation we want introduce our group, and now my name is Saras Pravita Ningrum. Next.
Sekali Gibran.
My name is Kosia Terengku.
My name is India Kusuma. My name is Sophia Reddy. My name is Olivia Nila Dusangri. And is Istiqlal Musik.
My name is Malik Fandesa.
Okay, now we want to start with presentation. Discussion number 1 is definition of business meeting. Number 2, difference between business meeting and non-business meeting. Number 3, purpose of business meeting. 4, types of meetings. 5, plannings of business meeting. Okay, number 1, this definition of business meeting. Definition of business meeting is a meeting of people or more somewhere, but both inside and outside the office to discuss matters relating to certain business activities. In the business world, regular business meetings can be held inside or outside the company's office. Business meetings held in the company are held daily or weekly. Deliver to distribution of goods to an area, prepare various raw material for the next production process, and prepare office equipment. Next, number 2, difference between business meeting and non-business meeting. What distinguishes business meeting from non-business meetings? One factor that distinguishes business meetings from non-business meeting is the purpose or orientation of the holding of a meeting. In this world of business meetings, of course, the orientation or purpose of the business to gain profit or profit. Besides, the business meetings are generally formal and tend to be ceremonial protocols. Whereas the non-business orientation or purpose is for social purpose, health service improvement, and education by nature. Non-business meetings are formal and informal. Next.
3, purpose of business meetings. Number 1, share information. Number 2, brainstorming ideas. Number 3, evaluate ideas. Number 4, decision making. Number 5, creating documents. Number 6, motivate workers.
4 types of meeting. 1, briefing. 2, consultation meeting. 3, commit meeting. 4, council meeting. 5, negotiation. Next.
Meanwhile, accounting is stable in the manager with effective meetings. Meetings can be grouped into 3 types, namely 1, informational meetings, 2, motivational meetings, 3, participatory meetings. Next.
Planning a business meeting. To product a good business meeting defense and its implementation goes well. It requires the best planning. Good planning will greatly help facilitate the achievement of design goals. To profit direction during a business meeting, it is necessary to prepare a draft business meeting again for start to finish complete. Next.
There are several features of how to decide a good business meeting agenda, including 1, enter the date, place, start time, and end time. 2, include the statement of purpose of the meeting. 3, include any one person. 4, after list of topic to be discussed. 5, time allocation for each topic discussion. 6, material for participants that must be complete before the meeting begins. Business meeting material are distributed to each participant of the business meeting no later than a week before business meeting is held. Next.
Okay, there are several things that need to be well prepared and cared for, especially for those of you who are in the committee of organizing business meetings, including 1, invitation, 2, time and place, 3, how long does a business meeting take, 4, the host, 5. Chairperson of the organizing committee. 6. Number of participants. 7. Invited participants. 8. People who open or close business meeting. 9. Resource person. 10. Allocation of time for resource person. 11. Break time. 12. Presence of participants. 13. Accommodation. 14. Sound system. 15. Portable computers, LCD projector and flip charts. And 16. Other supporting facilities.
Okay, next, conclusion, follow-up, and business meeting. What is produced in the business meetings should be well documented, especially the result of the agreement during the discussion of the topic in accordance with the agenda of the meeting which was mutually agreed upon. All forms of documentation during the business meeting take place to be reviewed. Both the briefing of the leadership of the company, the views of research persons, notice the result of the discussion Q&A during business meetings, and other documents in the form of the audio-visual recordings. The formulating team that has been agreed in the implementation of the business meeting needs to follow up on whatever has been formulated temporarily during the business meeting until it is over. Furthermore, once the business meeting is declared complete and drafting team immediately completes all material during the business meetings, including audio, visual documentation. In this case, the drafting team needs to involve various parties to produce important documents resulting from the business meeting. Furthermore, formally the parties responsible for organizing the business meeting sign and submit to the leadership of the company to become important documentation that must be follow up at a later date. Okay, finish about our presentation, and now we want to translate in English in Indonesia.
Selanjutnya, kesimpulan dalam bahasa Indonesianya adalah tindak lanjut pada pertemuan bisnis. Apa yang dihasilkan dalam pertemuan bisnis harus didokumentasikan dengan baik, terutama hasil kesepakatan selama diskusi dengan topik, sesuai dengan agenda pertemuan yang disepakati bersama. Semua bentuk dokumentasi selama pertemuan bisnis berlangsung untuk ditinjau, baik pengarahan, kepemimpinan perusahaan, pandangan narasumber, catatan hasil diskusi, tanya jawab selama rapat bisnis, dan dokumen lain dalam bentuk rekaman audio visual. Tim perumus yang telah disepakati dalam pelaksanaan pertemuan bisnis perlu menindaklanjuti apapun yang telah dirumuskan, sementara selama pertemuan bisnis sampai selesai. Selanjutnya, setelah pertemuan bisnis dinyatakan selesai, tim perancang segera mengkompilasi semua bahan selama pertemuan bisnis, termasuk dokumentasi audiovisual. Dalam hal ini, tim perancang perlu melibatkan berbagai pihak untuk menghasilkan dokumen penting yang dihasilkan dari pertemuan bisnis. Selanjutnya, secara formal, pihak-pihak yang bertanggung jawab untuk mengatur pertemuan bisnis menandatangani dan menyerahkan kepada pemimpin perusahaan untuk menjadi dokumentasi penting yang harus ditindaklanjuti kemudian hari dalam perusahaan.
Oke, sekian dari presentasi kami. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.